Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Gemini 8 sign mid-month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your feelings towards your person Gemini. Whole lot of cards, but I am not taking anyone. Sorry. Sorry for the disturbance. So this side, let's see your person feelings towards you, Gemini. Okay. So let's see your feelings towards your person, Gemini. Four of Swords, High Priestess, Two of Pentacles, Four of Wands, and their feelings towards you, the Fool, Ace of Wands, Knight of Swords, Ten of Pentacles. I think you are in some resting mode. Four of Swords, you are thinking about your person a lot and you want this happiness with your commitment. And Four of Wands, you both could be twin flames also. You want this happiness with you and you want house with your person, but you are juggling between two things. I think it's your person and career. High Priestess, trust your intuition because intuition never goes wrong. You are thinking about it a lot because you are at some crossroads right now. You are jiggling, so that's why you are thinking about something a lot about your person or career, what could maybe. So let's see your person feelings towards you. Yes, your person want new beginning with you, the Fool. They want to take leap of faith. Ace of Wands, yes, they want a new beginning. Ten of Pentacles, they want stability and they want to rush towards you. Knight of Swords, you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. It could be any sign, but particularly here these signs. So yes, your person want long-term commitment with you and they also wanting new beginnings with you. So let's see mutual energy between both of you, Gemini. Death, Scorpio, you or your person could be, wow, Star. Yes, there will be a new beginnings between both of you. Chance, definitely, because your connection is undergoing transfer. Because mutual energy is death, you both are undergoing some transformation and your connection is also transforming. And the Star, your person could be Aquarius or you could be, definitely there is a hope for new beginning between both of you. It will take time because you Gemini juggling between two things, but it will definitely, there will be a chance for new beginnings. So let's see some more information about your connection from universe. Sorrow, yeah, without you they are feeling very sad, not sleeping at night times and feeling stuck. Intensity, Knight of Wands, but you are there is lot of passion between both of you. The Source, sorry I don't read the reverse course. Yes, Ace of Wands 2 times, definitely there is new beginning between both of you. Those who are waiting for new beginning, there will be a new beginning in near future because you both want each other. So Gemini, you are thinking about a lot, but you will choose your person and your person is also waiting for new beginning. So Gemini, it's up to you. Definitely your person is waiting for you for new beginning with you. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.